In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GemPages for Shopify. If you want to design polished, high-converting pages without coding, GemPages is a drag-and-drop builder that lives inside your Shopify admin. We'll go from opening your store to installing the app, choosing a plan, creating a new page, selecting a template, and then customizing it in the visual editor. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a web browser. Make sure you're in the correct store dashboard so your changes land in the right place. From the left sidebar, click Apps. This is where you manage installed tools and discover new ones in the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for GemPages, then open the official listing and begin the installation. Shopify will display the permissions the app needs, review them, and continue. After a moment, GemPages connects to your store and adds its own dashboard so you can start building pages. Next, choose your plan. GemPages offers tiers with different feature sets and page limits. Pick the option that fits your current needs. You can usually upgrade as your catalog and traffic grow. If a trial is available, use it to explore the editor and templates first. Once you're in, click Create New Page. Then choose the category that matches your goal. Common categories include landing pages, product pages, and home pages. Your selection guides which elements and layout presets GemPages highlights, helping you move faster with a structure suited to your use case. You'll now see a gallery of options. These are professionally designed templates organized by purpose and style. Preview a few to compare structure, imagery, and pacing. When you find one that aligns with your brand and content, click Select to load it into the editor. You're now in the Page Builder. This visual, drag-and-drop workspace lets you adjust everything. Click text blocks to rewrite copy, swap images by uploading new assets, and drag sections to reorder them. Use the Settings panel to refine spacing, colors, typography, and button styles so they're consistent with your brand. Switch to mobile and tablet views to fine-tune responsiveness, ensuring headlines, images, and calls to action look great on small screens. Duplicating sections is a quick way to create variations without rebuilding. When your adjustments look right in the preview, you've successfully shaped a custom Shopify page with GemPages. That's the full flow. Open Shopify, install GemPages, choose a plan, create a page, pick a template, and personalize it in the builder. Follow these steps whenever you need a new page to maintain a consistent look while moving faster from idea to launch.